Hello world! Today, in quick drawing tips, we have the one and only Nickyanka Chopra Jonas and her wonderful husband Nick Jonas. Let's go!
Okay, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. For this one, okay, this might look tough, but trust me, this is easy. Make Nick Jonas's border first, this part, and then you make Priyanka Chopra's borders on this side. After that, next step is obviously the making the face, eyes, nose, lips, eyes, nose, lips, and then finish this left hand side first. Means Priyanka Chopra's side first. Make the face, make the shade, draw the hair, and then finally you start from here. I mean, you can see this. See where it ends. See where it ends. This joint. Yes, that's where it ends. That was quick tips for the day. Hope you have a good time.
Thank you so much for watching that video. Thumbs downs, let's show me some love and put your thoughts in the comments. Do it!